Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best scroll saw patterns is probably one of the most exciting aspects of woodworking, allowing for the creation of incredibly detailed and artistic pieces. From simple shapes to complex designs, the scroll saw opens up a world of possibilities for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic patterns and designs to inspire your next project and help you choose the perfect one. Number 5. Lora Irish's Wildlife Patterns for Scroll Saw. Discover 61 captivating designs featuring moose, bears, eagles, deer, and more. This book offers a wide variety of patterns for your scroll saw projects. It's perfect for fretwork or relief. These patterns are ready to be cut, making it easy to start your next project. The designs are created by Lora Irish, a well-known name in woodworking. Get ready to bring these beautiful creatures to life. The book includes patterns for a diverse range of North American wildlife. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, it offers something for everyone. You'll enjoy creating these intricate designs. These patterns are suitable for both fretwork and relief projects. You can choose the technique that best suits your skills and preferences. It provides flexibility in how you approach each design. Lora Irish provides these patterns, ensuring quality and detail. Her expertise shines through in each design. It's a great resource for scroll saw enthusiasts. What we like. This book offers captivating designs of North American wildlife. It provides ready-to-cut patterns, saving you time and effort. If you are a wildlife enthusiast looking to create intricate fretwork or relief projects, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Father-in-law is an amateur woodworker and one of his requests was pattern books this year. He seemed to enjoy this one, said instructions were clear and found several projects he wanted to start on. The patterns are very nice. My husband has just retired and is enjoying doing woodwork. He has cut his first pattern and it looks very nice. I gave this book 5 stars because there is no jargon involved, just a book of 61 patterns. There are easy patterns to get you started and then there are more challenging ones to do with interesting scenery too. I have just completed a night owl which looks fantastic and now I am looking to complete some more. Number 4. Scroll Saw Christmas Ornaments, 200 plus patterns. This book unveils over 200 full-size patterns. It's perfect for crafting beautiful Christmas ornaments with your scroll saw. Explore a variety of designs, including religious and traditional themes. These patterns are ideal for creating cherished holiday decorations. Find patterns featuring Santas, snowmen, and other classic Christmas figures. The book provides detailed drawings for easy crafting. Create intricate fretwork and ornate word designs. The patterns offer a range of complexity to suit different skill levels. The book also includes novelty and wildlife patterns. It's a comprehensive guide for scroll saw enthusiasts. Bring the joy of the season to life with these unique ornaments. This book is a must-have for anyone who loves scroll saw projects. What we like. This book is packed with over 200 patterns for Christmas ornaments. It features full-size drawings of various designs. If you enjoy creating festive decorations for the holidays, you'll find this book incredibly valuable. What people say. Well-written book full of good advice and interesting patterns. Lots of many patterns, all of which are easy to do with great instructions on how to. Nice book of fairly simple scroll saw Christmas ornament patterns. Would be great for a beginner or someone that likes easier quick projects. Lots of variety. Number 3. Woodworker's Pattern Book, Fretwork Animals. This book is filled with detailed patterns for creating realistic fretwork animals. It provides ready-to-use wildlife patterns, perfect for your scroll saw projects. Inside, you'll find a variety of animal patterns to choose from. Each pattern is designed to help you create stunning pieces. The book includes expert tips and techniques to guide you. It will help you improve your scroll saw skills and create beautiful fretwork art. These patterns are ready to be used right away. You can start creating your own fretwork animals immediately. See examples of finished works for inspiration. It will inspire you to create your own unique pieces. What we like. This book provides detailed, ready-to-use wildlife patterns. It also includes expert tips and techniques to improve your skills. If you like creating realistic fretwork animals and want to learn from the experts, it is a great option. What people say. I have made several of the patterns and they have all turned out great. The patterns are well designed and easy to follow. I have made several projects from this book and have been very pleased with the results. Number 2. Big Book of Scrolls Saw Woodworking. Are you ready to explore the art of scrolls saw woodworking? This book is your ultimate guide, packed with projects and techniques for all skill levels. It's perfect for beginners and advanced woodworkers alike. Inside, you'll find over 60 projects to inspire your creativity. From fretwork to intarsia, this book covers a wide range of scroll saw crafts. It offers something for everyone. Learn the techniques behind fretwork, intarsia, and other exciting scroll saw crafts. This book provides detailed instructions and patterns to help you master these skills. It will help you create beautiful wooden artwork. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, this book has patterns for you. It offers projects that will challenge and inspire you. You can grow your skills with this book. This book is your comprehensive guide to scroll saw woodworking. It's filled with everything you need to create stunning projects. Get ready to bring your woodworking visions to life. What we like. This book caters to woodworkers of all skill levels. It offers a wide variety of projects and techniques. If you're looking for a comprehensive guide to scroll saw woodworking, this one is for you. What people say. This book has lots of pictures, diagrams and detailed instructions. It explains techniques, tips and tricks from project beginning to finish in easy-to-follow language. It also includes a lot of great patterns that go from simple to very detailed. Number 1. Scroll Saw Wooden Boxes, 25 Fun Projects. This book unveils the secrets of creating beautiful wooden boxes. It provides patterns and instructions for various keepsake boxes. You'll learn how to craft stunning pieces for jewelry, music, and more. Inside, you'll find a collection of 25 exciting projects. Each project is designed to enhance your woodworking skills. It's a fantastic way to explore different designs and techniques. Whether it's a jewelry box or a music box, this guide has you covered. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. You can create personalized gifts or decorative items for your home. The book includes detailed patterns and step-by-step instructions. It is perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. It makes the process enjoyable and rewarding. This book is brought to you by Fox Chapel Publishing. They are known for their high-quality woodworking resources. It's a trusted source for all your scroll saw needs. What we like. This book focuses on creating wooden boxes. It provides patterns and instructions for various keepsake boxes. If you are looking to create unique and functional boxes for jewelry or music, you should consider it. What people say. This book has a wide range of projects that vary from intermediate to advanced. Very nice selection of boxes with full instructions in color, with details and how to make the box and put it together. The pics are clean and well organized and the instruction is written so a woodworking novice, such as myself, could easily follow along. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.